have your coffee, have your food, breakfast nook, whatever, look out your window. These beautiful handcrafted Amish built kitchen cabinets is already included. And as you can see, you got a spot already cut out here for your refrigerator, full-size fridge. You got a spot already cut out here for your farm sink. Again, I pointed out this window when I was on the porch. Look out your window while you're doing your dishes. Enjoy your land. And look at them handcrafted Amish built cabinets, y'all. Beautiful. Knotty pine, y'all. Knotty pine now. Speaking of knotty pine, oh, before I mention, I keep yapping. This is where your stove's gonna go, full-size stove with your microwave on top. And speaking of knotty pine, look at that knotty pine floor. Look at that knotty pine floor. Comment below, y'all. Tell me what you think about them pretty knotty pine floors. Tell me about that. Tell me that ain't pretty. Man, that is so clean. Pretty, 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 pretty. Let me give you another view again of from this angle looking that way too. Another thing I like to mention when I walk through these cabins, one of the things y'all always point out in the video is, hey, them ceilings look kind of low. They are not as low as they look. I am just irregularly tall, y'all. I'm almost 6'7". I'm 6'6". And so I make everything look short, but I'm just a tall fella. So keep that in mind when I'm walking through the cabin. These ceilings ain't nowhere near as low as they look. I'm just a giant monster. Like I said, I'm 6'6", almost 6'7". And that is why these ceilings look as low as they are. Okay, so upstairs, you got a catwalk connecting 2 bedrooms, right? So here's your catwalk. Here's bedroom number 1. And we got that walled off, and we kept this bedroom number 2 open just to show y'all we can do it either way you want. We can leave both the bedrooms open, close one off, leave one open, or leave them both closed, okay? Downstairs, below the stairs here is where you could put, mostly they'll put that 200 amp electrical panel down there so it's out of the way. This here, they'll put a pantry / stackable washer or dryer or side-by-side washer and dryer. And then over here is where they typically, people will put your full bathroom. So you got your stove. You got your, I haven't had my coffee today. You got your commode, your shower, and your sink, and any cabinets you want to put over here. So toilet, sink, shower goes here, bathroom. I got to get my coffee right after this video. And then that's what you put over there. And again, so you got your livable space kind of down here. And then when it's time to go to bed, then we go upstairs. Now, before we go upstairs, check out this little nook. This little, like I said, the Amish, they think of everything. Nothing goes to waste. Open that up. We got some material there, but that's just like a little, I call it a doggy door. So you could put them little flappers there so your dog can go in and out of there and have a little home, or your cat. Or storage, right? So again, just a beautiful rustic cabin, right? Again, the windows are double pane vinyl windows, easy clean windows. The windows all have these little lips on them right here. So you can put a little decoration on top with your curtains below. And like I said, if you're looking for rustic, then the Big Bertha 1.0 and the Big Bertha 2.0, as well as the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0, the Carrot Top and the Tiny Tim, our rustic cabin series, are an excellent choice. Okay, there's your back door again, and then there's your front door leading out to your 6-foot by 32-foot porch. The dimensions on the first and second floor here is 14 by 32. So 14 by 32. This cabin is just shy of 800 square feet of livable space. Is 796 square feet of livable space. Now, enough with my yapping. Let's go upstairs. See how we got these pretty spindles. Isn't that pretty? All handcrafted by the Amish. See that? Again, you got that catwalk connecting bedroom number 1 to bedroom number 2. Let's go on upstairs. So again, pointing out my height, because I like to do that. I'm 6'6", almost 6'7", and my head is nowhere near hitting that ceiling. So this loft area is very livable and usable space. Okay, so I say that again because this loft area, very livable, very usable space, right? Because you got 2 bedrooms up here. If you look down to the left, there's your back door, there's your catwalk, and there is your front door. Again, behind me, I got a walled off bedroom, like you see here. Okay, I got the door slightly open there. So this is bedroom number 1. Open it up, beautiful A-frame style aesthetic, right? And then if you look around the other way, I got that one not walled off, but that is available to where we can wall that off as well and privatize this bedroom as we've done that other one. The way the rooms are set up right now, you can easily fit queen size beds in here, a full size bed, a couple of twin bunk beds. You can fit that no problem. This particular room on this side, notice we can make the floor go out further, so make it less catwalk and more room. So if you want to get, say, a king size bed in here, that's not a problem. When we design yours, we can just extend this floor out this way. Again, so it's less catwalk and more bedroom, right? That way you can get a big old king size bed in there and make the bedroom bigger, okay? Because not everybody wants this big old long catwalk, okay? They want to shorten it and get more square footage. So keep that in mind. That's also an option as well. Let me go in this bedroom just so you guys can see what that looks like. So this is what it looks like. Phone won't stop ringing today. That's a good thing. Again, we're on the 2nd floor of the Big Bertha 1.0 rustic cabin. Again, this one is 79,000, just shy of 800 square feet. Beautiful rustic cabin built by the old order Amish, the Yoders. And this one is ready to roll. So let's go back downstairs. I'm gonna do one more money shot of the outside for you. And I gotta call a whole bunch of people back because I probably missed, I don't know how many phone calls doing this video here. So we've been getting blasted. So with that said, isn't that beautiful, guys? Again, Big Bertha 1.0. Give us a call if you're interested. Let's get you a cabin on your land. And let me show you one more money shot here. One more money shot before I let y'all go. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and follow button if you enjoy my videos. Like I said, the more comments, the more likes, the more shares I get, the more motivated I am to keep making these videos. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of work for me to come out here and make these content for you guys, but I love doing it. And as long as y'all are liking and commenting on these videos, I'll keep going, okay? My name is OC. You guys call me the Cabin Cowboy. Thanks for watching my show. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. And there goes my phone. So I gotta go. I love y'all. Be blessed out there. Thanks for watching. Come back and see me now, y'all. Take care. Call us at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033, or you can visit us at AmishBuiltCabins.com. Link in the bio.